There's another one. He's made it back up through here. Got the squirrel. Smile for the camera. Oh no. Jonathan getting back after shooting another one out. Just shot another one out, ginger down in there. Treed up in that mess. I don't know how we finally found it, but we did. Jonathan coming out with it. Good girl. There he is. Going back to the truck. Where's it at, girl? Just rolled another one out. Didn't get much of the treeing on this one. It was kind of wild. Good girl. Good girl. Right there it is. About halfway up the tree. Yeah. There it goes on your side. It's on the little tree. It just come out of that thick stuff. Didn't get the shot on video. Only two of us today. We just knocked it out. Newt down there chewing on it.
Get him, get him.
John Luke just shot one out.
What, a 12-gauge pump?
Our retriever, John Luke, bringing another one back. If he can get it away from the dog.
Come on out there.
A pellet right to the dome.
Pellet to the dome.
There he is. Hold the squirrel up and say hey.
Come on, boy. Get in the picture. There's a video.
There's another one. Oh no.
He's sitting in that big fort, Gabe.
There he goes.
Right
here, there's two of them. There's one that's fine over here, too.
There's the squirrel.
Where's the...
Here, boy. Here, boy. Good job. Let's go get another one, boy. Come on.
Oh no.
Yeah, son, I love it.
It's his...
Where'd I hit?